This TICONN Heat Shrink Connector Kit provides a very large assortment of terminals that covers most common automotive, marine, and household wiring needs in one organized box. The connectors use thick tinned copper barrels that crimp firmly, giving reliable electrical contact with very little voltage loss, even under higher current loads. Once heated, the shrink tubing grips the wire tightly and forms a waterproof seal that stands up well to moisture, road spray, and marine environments. The dual wall insulation is flame resistant and tough enough to handle vibration and abrasion, which makes these connectors suitable for long-term installations in vehicles and equipment. A wide mix of butt, ring, fork, and quick disconnect styles in several color-coded sizes makes it easy to match the right connector to wire gauges commonly used in do-it-yourself and professional work. Overall, the kit feels thoughtfully put together and offers a dependable, cleaner alternative to bare crimp connectors and electrical tape for anyone who does frequent wiring projects.